In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cells diagonally in Excel. If you've ever needed to clear a diagonal trail of values without touching the rest of your worksheet, this quick method is for you. Excel doesn't have a built-in diagonal delete command, so we'll do it by selecting the exact cells we want and clearing their contents in one go. Start by clicking the first cell in your diagonal. This should be the cell where your diagonal begins, whether that's near the top left, bottom right, or anywhere in between. Make sure you can clearly see it on your screen. Zoom in a bit if that helps with accuracy. When you click it, you'll see the selection outline, confirming you're starting in the right place. Next, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. Keep it held down while you pick the rest of the diagonal cells. Holding Control tells Excel that you want to select multiple, non-adjacent cells rather than a continuous block. If you're on a Mac, use the Command key instead. A quick tip here. Don't release the key until you've finished selecting everything you need. If you accidentally let go early, Excel will think you're starting a new selection and you might lose the cells you already chose. While still holding Control, click each cell along your diagonal path. Move one row down and one column over for a downright diagonal, or adjust accordingly if your diagonal runs in a different direction. Click carefully and deliberately, single clicks, not drags, to add each cell to the selection. If you misclick and select the wrong cell, keep holding Control and click that same cell again to deselect it. Take your time to build the precise diagonal. Each correct click should highlight another individual cell without creating a big rectangular block. Once all the diagonal cells are selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This clears the contents of all selected cells at once while leaving the cell formatting, borders, and column widths intact. If you see the cells go blank, you've done it correctly. And if something doesn't look right, remember you can immediately press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on a Mac to undo and try again. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you want to remove not just the values but also formatting, consider using the Clear options on the Home tab after this method. And to avoid accidental clicks, it can help to finish your selection before moving your mouse off the worksheet. That's it. Your diagonal cells are cleared cleanly and precisely. Save your workbook, and you're done.